Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can delete invite message on Instagram. So first up, open your Instagram app and then we're going to search the account who I want to send an invite message. So for example, right here, so in this account, so this account is private. So tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner to basically find an option. It says send message. So right from here. Okay, so you can see this account can receive your message because they don't allow new message request from everyone. So I'm going to send hi, as you can see here. So if you send a message from someone, you'll find a message here saying that it was a invite message. Now, if you want to basically delete this one, just stop and hold on that message and it will show up you the options here. So tap and hold. And here we have an option that says here, unsend. So there you go. We have unsend this message here. It will totally delete or permanently delete this message. So they won't know that you send this message. So there you go. So make sure that your Instagram is updated. So go to your App Store if you're using iOS device or Google Play Store if you're using Android. And you should search for the Instagram app. Then if you find an update button shows up there, you should update your Instagram to get the latest version. So that's it. That's how you basically delete invite message on Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.